Hey guys, so Xiaomi is gearing to launch Mi 10 and 10 Pro together, possibly at Mobile World Congress in February. Moreover, specs and prices for the two Xiaomi flagships have also been leaked. The duo seems to offer different specs in terms of their camera setup, RAM variants and battery capacities. Rest of the specs are very similar. Here are all the Xiaomi Mi 10 and 10 Pro rumors we have come across so far. Starting with the display, both appears to share similar specs when it comes to display with minor design changes. The screen protector for the Xiaomi Mi 10 has been leaked via a tipster on Weibo. This shows us that the phone's display will be curved, at least on two sides. The panel seems to have incredibly small bezels all around, with only the chin sticking out somewhat. Still, much less than any previous Xiaomi handset. There are no visible holes for selfie camera, but the leakster who provided this image says that there are in fact holes to be found. So it means it will be a dual punch hole design. It will surely disappoint those who were waiting for the new under-display camera technology. Both are believed to feature the same 6.5-inch 90Hz OLED display. We were skeptical that there is no mention of 120Hz refresh rate, which seems a miss for this level of flagship phone. The Xiaomi Mi 10 and 10 Pro will run on Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset and will be 5G ready. This chipset even beats the A13 Bionic chipset in benchmark and has the highest AnTuTu scores as of yet. The Mi 10 gets 8GB of RAM with 128 or 256GB of storage, while a special 12GB version will also be available with 256GB of internal storage. As for Mi 10 Pro, it will get 12GB RAM as standard and 128, 256 and 512GB options for the storage. As for cameras, the Xiaomi Mi 10 is expected to have a quad camera setup. The camera arrangement is said to be a Sony IMX686 sensor, that is the 64MP camera found on the Redmi K30, along with 20MP and 12MP camera, likely to be a wide-angle and zoom lens, along with the final 5MP camera, likely to be a macro camera. The Mi 10 Pro apparently ups the camera setup and houses a 108MP primary shooter. We previously saw Xiaomi use the high-resolution camera on the Mi Note 10. A 48MP secondary camera, a 12MP possible telephoto lens and an 8MP camera could complete this setup. As for battery, rumors suggest that the Mi 10 will house a 4500mAh battery. Xiaomi could bring 40W wired fast charging and 30W wireless fast charging to the phone. And for Mi 10 Pro, the phone could get 4500mAh battery as well and support 66W fast charging as well as 40W wireless fast charging. The same source who outed the specs has also leaked the prices for the Mi 10 and 10 Pro. The Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro is set to start at 3799 yuan, that is around $545 for the 12GB of RAM and 128GB of storage variant. The 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage model is rumored to cost 4099 yuan, that is around $588, while the 12GB of RAM and 512GB storage configuration could be priced at 4499 yuan, that is around $645. The Mi 10 on the other hand is expected to come in three configurations, that is 8GB of RAM plus 128GB of storage, 8GB RAM plus 256GB of storage and 12GB RAM plus 256GB of storage. Prices of the phones are suggested to start at 3100 yuan, that is around $444. So that's all we know about the Xiaomi Mi 10 and 10 Pro so far. Of course, there's nothing to actually verify these specs and we do have some doubts as to their accuracy, but they do help build a picture of what we might see when the Xiaomi launches Xiaomi Mi 10. And for more such videos, do consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.